Myself Ashish Tiwari. I am nursing tutor in Dex Nursing College, and today my topic is acute renal failure. Introduction. Acute kidney failure, also called acute renal failure or acute kidney injury, develops rapidly, usually in less than few days. Acute kidney failure is most common people who are already hospitalized, particularly in critically ill people who need intensive care. Definition. Acute kidney failure occurs when your kidneys suddenly become unable to filter waste products फ्रॉम योर ब्लड. जो किडनी होती है जो बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट को ब्लड के द्वारा बाहर करती है. व्हेन योर किडनीज लॉस देयर फिल्टरिंग एबिलिटी, डेंजरस लेवल्स ऑफ वेस्ट may accumulate and your blood's chemical makeup may get out of balance. कॉसेस. इसके क्या क्या कॉसेस हो सकते हैं? एन इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. लीवर फेलर. मेडिकेशन से हो सकता है, जैसे एग्जाम्पल हो गया एस्प्रिन, एब्रोफेन, नेप्रोक्सेन और कॉक्स 2 इनहिबिटर्स लाइक सेलेब्रेक्स. ब्लड प्रेशर के मेडिकेशन से हो सकता है. हार्ट फेलियर से हो सकता है. सीरियस बर्न और डिहाइड्रेशन, ये सीरियस बर्न्स और डिहाइड्रेशन से भी हो सकता है. ब्लड और फ्लूइड के लॉस से भी हो सकता है. कंट्रीब्यूट. ब्लैडर, सर्वाइकल, कोलन और प्रोस्टेट कैंसर, ब्लड क्लॉट्स in your urinary tract and enlarged prostate, kidney stones, nerve damage in your bladder. Something has directly damaged your kidneys like blood clots, cholesterol deposits. Medications that can directly damage kidneys including NSAIDs like Ibuprofen and Naproxen, chemotherapy and antibiotics. ये medications से डायरेक्ट डैमेज हो सकती है किडनी, and naproxone, chemo and antibiotics. Glomerulonephritis, inflamed kidney filters can be caused by an infection. Autoimmune disease like lupus, multiple myeloma, scleroderma, chemotherapy, drugs and antibiotics. पैथोफिजियोलॉजी. अब इसकी पैथोफिजियोलॉजी क्या होगी? प्रो इन्फ्लामेटरी स्टेट, complement and coagulations, पैथवे एक्टिवेशन, सेकेंड हो जाएगा प्रोस्टेट्स एक्टिवेशन, हेपेरिन, सल्फेट, hyaluronic acid, एलेस्टेट, फ्री रेडिकल फॉर्मेशन, साइटोकिन सिक्रेशन, सेल्युलर इन्वॉल्वमेंट, नेफ्रोफिल्स, मैक्रोफेजेस, डिजी प्लेट्स, एंडोथेलियल cells, anti-inflammatory state, increased poor phagocytes, drained immune function, impaired chemotaxis, lymphocytes, apoptosis, and mitochondrial dysfunction, apoptosis and necrosis, endothelial dysfunction, metabolic acidosis, capillary leakage, thrombosis, oliguria, impaired vesicular tone, acute kidney injury, multiple organ failure and death. सिम्टम्स, इसके क्या क्या सिम्टम्स हो सकते हैं? डिक्रीज्ड यूरिन आउटपुट, ये यूरिन के आउटपुट से हो सकता है. आल्थ्रोट, ऑक्यूशनली यूरिन आउटपुट, फ्लूइड रिटेंशन, फ्लूइड के रिटेंशन से हो सकता है. कॉजिंग स्वेलिंग इन योर लेग्स, लेग में स्वेलिंग से हो सकता है. एंकल्स और फीट. शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीथ, ये ब्रीथ के मतलब ब्रीथिंग की कमी से हो सकता है. फटीग, कन्फ्यूजन, नोजिया, वीकनेस, इरेगुलर हार्ट बीट, चेस्ट पेन, प्रेशर, सीजर और कोमा इन सीवियर केसेस. चेस्ट पेन से हो सकता है, कमजोरी, नोजिया, फटीग, इन सारी कमी से हो सकता है. डायग्नोस्टिक इवैल्यूएशन, इसका डायग्नोस्टिक इवैल्यूएशन क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? क्रेटाइनाइन इन बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट योर ब्लड that's made by muscles activity. Normally it's removed from your blood by your kidneys, but if your kidneys stop working, your creatinine level rises. Urea nitrogen is another waste product in your blood. It's created when protein from the foods is broken down like creatinine. Your kidneys remove this from your blood. When your kidneys stop working, your urea nitrogen levels rise. Serum potassium is a substance found in your blood that balance water levels in your blood stream. Kidney disease can cause either high or low potassium levels. Serum sodium is another substance in your blood that helps with fluid balance in your body. High sodium levels can means that your kidneys aren't working properly because your body can't get right amount of sodium content. Urine test, your doctor will check your pee for blood and protein. They also look for certain electrolytes. The results help your doctor understand what's causing your kidney failure. Urine output measurement. This measures how much urine you pass in 24 hours. You will get a container to make home pee into and then return to the lab after a full 24 hours. It can help your doctor determine why you are having kidney failure. Kidney biopsy, renal biopsy is a procedure where the doctor pushes a thin needle through your skin and takes a small piece of your kidney to take under a microscope. It can show if there is any damage or disease in your kidney. Imagining tests. Some tests like ultrasonography or a CT scan can show whether your kidney are enlarged or there's a blockage in your urine flow. मैनेजमेंट, इसके क्या क्या मैनेजमेंट हो सकते हैं. डाइट. योर डॉक्टर विल लिमिट्स the amount of salt and potassium you get until your kidneys heal that, because both of these substances are removed from your body through your kidneys. Medications. Your doctor may prescribe medicines that regulate the amount of phosphorus and potassium in your blood. When your kidney fall, they can't remove this substance from your body. Medications won't help your kidney, but they falls, they can't remove this substance from your body. Medications won't help your kidneys, but they may reduce some of the problems kidney failure causes. Dialysis. If your kidney damage is severe enough, you may require hemodialysis until your kidneys can heal. Dialysis does not help kidneys heal but takes over the work of kidneys until they do. If your kidneys don't heal, dialysis and could be long term. Complication. Fluid buildup. Acute kidney failure can sometimes cause a buildup of fluid in your body. If fluid build up in your lungs, this can cause shortness of breath, chest pain. If the lining that covers your heart becomes inflamed, you may have chest pain. Acidic blood. Metabolic acidosis. If your blood has too much acid due to acute kidney failure, you can end up with nausea, vomiting, drowsiness, and breathlessness. Muscles weakness. When your body's fluid and electrolytes are out of balance, you can get muscles weakness in serious cases. This can lead to paralysis and heart rhythms problem. Permanent kidney damage. Acute kidney failure can become chronic and your kidney will stop working almost entirely or completely. This is called and stage renal disease. If this happens, you will need to go on permanent dialysis to filter your blood and remove toxins or get a kidney transplant. Death. Acute kidney failure can lead to loss of kidney function that is so bad it can cause death. Prevention. Be careful when taking over the counter OTC pain medications. When you are taking NSAID medications like aspirin, Ibuprofen, naproxen, or other types of OTC pain medications like acetaminophen. It's important to read and follow the recommended dosing instructions on the package. Follow your doctor's advice. If you have higher risk of getting acute kidney failure because of pre-existing kidney disease or other conditions, make sure to follow your doctor's advice for treating and managing your condition. Keep a healthy lifestyle, exercise, eating right, and drinking little or no alcohol can go long way to preventing acute kidney failure. Thank you.